few days ago, Grok AI stopped its free features. Now, you can't create images or videos for free anymore. This made many AI creators upset. To make videos now, you have to pay $30 every month or $300 in a year. That's a lot of money, and most people don't want to pay it. But what if I told you there are free tools you can use instead? It might sound surprising, but it's true. In this video, I'll show you a free tools like Grok that you can start using right now, no payment needed. Meet the new Qwen 3.5 Plus AI. This AI can understand text and create videos. It is a huge, multimodal large language model, up to 397B active parameters, that understands text, images, and video natively in one system. It's also very easy to use. Let me show you how it works. Go to the official Qwen 3.5 Plus website. You'll find the link in the description box. Now log in to Qwen 3.5 Plus using your email. Otherwise, you won't be able to create videos. After logging in, go to the prompt box and click the plus icon. From there, select Create Video. Next, choose the video size or ratio that fits your video. I am choosing the 16:9 ratio for my video. Then, type your video prompt in the prompt box. Finally, click Generate, and in just a few seconds, your video will be ready. To download your video, just click the download button. See how simple that is? You can also create a video from images. Let me show you how. Go back to the prompt box and click the plus icon. Then, select Upload Attachment and upload the image you want to turn into a video. After uploading, you can add your video prompt to describe what you want the video to look like. Once everything is ready, click Generate and wait for a few seconds. Your video will be created automatically. This is how you can create videos for free just like Grok AI. The quality and visuals are always excellent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.